Brian here from quantlabs.net. Guess what we're going to be talking about? Getting into the next toolbox I'll be looking at, the Signal Processing Toolbox. Obviously, you might think this might be an important toolbox for signal processing, for trading models and strategies. I've already gone through this PDF, and that's not what you might think, but there are some little nuggets in here that might be useful, at least what I catch here. So I'm just going to quickly go through it. It's no different than much of a standard filter here. There's some useful things, like here we have a wave and you're going to generate some signals from that. Fine, that's cool. But a lot of it's more for scientific, like electronics, and other scientific needs. There's not so much trading capabilities here, but I'm going to quickly scan this for the next couple of minutes in this video, looking for some stuff. There is Gibbs, which is fairly well known. There is a mention of that in here somewhere, but we'll get to that, address it, maybe. But let's just see what we can find here. Shall we not? Shan't we? There's such a word there. Okay, continuing along, blah, 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 blah. IIR filter, maybe that could be right under my nose something. I haven't seen too much on it. In the world of MATLAB. We have our window. There's all these different GUI tools. Not sure if there's a whole lot. I did see some things that looked interesting. It's gonna be a quiet video, I think. There's not a lot here that I can see. If you see something, let me know in the comments. Exporting to a simulate model. Ooh, that's good. Let's see header files. There's a whole section on here on how to generate. Okay, this might be something of interest. Correlation of covariance and spectral analysis. So there might be something here. That might have some promise to go through something. I'm going to have to revisit this in a future date as I get more involved with stuff. Not seeing a whole lot of these methodologies. I'm sure they could be used. FFT we've talked about before. Might be something else. Let's see what we got here. Parametric modeling. We know all about that stuff. Here we go. ARMA. So it could be used in maybe an ARMA model that we've discussed from the econometrics, I believe. I know these sort of things are used a lot. Signal processing tool. Now remember, these tools are really cool. You generate code from it, but there is a special chapter on how to use it with the coder, which could be very interesting. As you saw a while back, it can also be used obviously with simulate. So continuing along here. Here we go. Code generation from MATLAB support and signal processing toolbox. So it's probably a lot of support as it stands. We'll see what we can work with, and then we get into the function reference. Not a whole lot that I can see. Yeah. Well, I don't know. We'll see. But as I keep posting stuff, I'll let you guys know.